And hello everybody, we are back here. Here we go. To do our to talk about our last two problems. So Fiona made some barrettes. She put 9 beads on each barrette. If she used 63, how many barrettes did she make? Okay. So this one, it started off with sum right away. So I could put my variable right away. So P, she put 9 on each. So it's going to be times. P times 9 equals 63. And I know that 7 times 9 equals 63. So my answer then is 7 barrettes. Cool. Okay, I'm going to go to the next one. Oh, why didn't I stay with it? Okay. I'll fix that later here. Okay. Enrique had 56 miniature cars. He put the same. He put this. This is all kind of getting off a little bit. Same number of cars on 7 shelves. How many cars on each shelf? Well, it does say each again, so I know this is going to be either multiplication or division. But since I have my total, it's division. So 56 divided by the same on each. So I don't know, 56 divided by, let's do B equals 7. So then my real answer then, or my solution equation, is 56 divided by 8 equals 7. And so the answer is 8 cars on each. Okay, well, if you need to go back and rewatch this part just to get those answers, do that. But you can check your answers too. And when you're done, send this off to Schoology. And we'll go to our last page. Page 400. This one I'm just going to read just one problem. And then we'll come back to I'll stop the video, come back, and then we'll check it. But I'm still going to read everything to you. Okay. It's the same thing when you read the black bold up here. Write a situation equation and a solution equation. Then solve the problem. A group of 48 students from 8 schools are competing in the science fair. Each school sends the same number of students. How many students are competing from each school? Okay. So there's 48 students and 8 schools are competing. Each school sends the same number of students. How many students are competing? Okay, well, I have my total already. So I'm going to really think about it like this again, where I have 48 for my total and 8 schools. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many go? How many from each school? So really I have to take that 48 and split it into 8 groups. And if it's split, and it does say each, well, I know that is going to then be division. 48 divided by 8 equals M. So I have to figure out what would M be then. Oh, well, 48 divided by 8 equals 6. So 6 students. Cool. I'm going to read these last problems to you, and then you can come back and check. 12. An array on one wall in an art gallery has 27 photos. Each row has 9 photographs. How many rows are there? Okay, always think about, do you have more of the 2 factors, like the 2 parts, and you have to do multiplication, or do you have a total in one of the parts, and it's division? So do your situation equation and a solution equation. Jody bought 4 bags of lemons. The same number of lemons was in each bag. There were a total of 36 lemons. How many lemons were in each bag? Do your situation equation and your solution equation. A hardware store sold a number of boxes of furnace filters. There were 6 filters in each box. If they sold 54 furnace filters, how how many boxes of filters did the hardware store sell? So again, do your situation equation and your solution equation. And then down below, check your understanding. Explain the difference between a situation equation and a solution equation. We can come back and check your answers. Bye.